In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord app keeps crashing on Windows 10 and 11. Fix 1. End Discord processes using Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape keys to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, right-click on Discord and select End Task. 2. Disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Open Discord and click on the gear-shaped icon at the bottom left corner to open the user settings. In the Voice and Video tab, turn off the toggle next to hardware acceleration. 3. Delete custom keybinds. In the Discord, click the cog-shaped icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. Navigate to the Keybinds tab and remove all custom keybinds by hovering over them and clicking on the X icon. 4. Enable legacy mode in Discord. Open Discord and click the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Select voice and video from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click the drop-down menu under Audio Subsystem and select Legacy. Click OK to apply the changes. 5. Avoid using beta features. If you're using any beta features labeled with a beta tag, try turning them off to see if that resolves the issue. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.